I'm telling you something. In my mind, after some days, I'm thinking something. If you agree with me and if you comment, you can do it this, then I am continuing. Because if you don't know, if you don't tell me, so then I can't do. In my mind, after some days, something going that is speak with me. Yes, speak with me. I want to also upload one video. Speak with me. That in video, I'm telling you something. What I see, what in my mind, what I think. Actually, this is right, and you can do some things. You know that I'm sharing with you all of this, and you listen carefully and tell me this is wrong, right, and this is helpful or not. You also tell me. So I'm just saying what's in my mind, and you listen carefully and understand what I am saying. When I came here and I saw here lots of tree, and every tree is green and every tree gives fruit. And so, and this is very peaceful. I like this environment. And in this time I'm here and my mind is cool. Because before I'm recording video, I have a headache lots of. And I came here to relaxing my mind. And I think I record my video. Oh, look at this. This is mango. And this is a small baby of mango. Here are lots of small mango. Where is lychee? Here is banana tree. Here is, I don't know what is this tree. If you know that, then tell me in the comment. Here is cool. My mind is cool. I don't know what to say. If you support me, then I continue this journey. So this is day 1, and if you comment me, you continue, then I record second day, next day video. So tell me in the comments, you continue, I am with you. Thank you.